Lake Chelan Adventures. I'm coming to get you on my sailboat. Yeah, we're going to take over Lake Chelan. We have to come up with a unique YouTube channel, and I've been kicking some ideas around, and trying to get my brain wrapped around it and start to do some interviews and gathering up pictures and logos and things, working on a label. And in the meantime, I'm working on the sailboat, Anyway, we got to get going. We got to get moving on here. We're going to take over that lake on that sailboat. We haven't named it yet. I'm thinking Captain Ron. I love it, but most people are not liking that name so much. So anyway, that's where we're at, man. Love y'all.
Nope.